Saj is a 25-year-old company, and we have 4 branches with 1 factory located in Kenya. We were the first producer of ceramic tiles, and up till recently, the only producer. We currently have the majority market share in ceramic tiles around Kenya and East Africa as well.
Earlier, we used to work in different accounting packages from which we are not satisfied because of the required information. There was no coordination because we have got so many branches. So looking to all these issues, we decided to switch over to the new system, which is SAP from ACEteK, and now we managed to get all the required information at one click. We managed to coordinate with all the branches and we get the data at one location.
SAP allows for mobility, and in today's day and age, mobility is extremely important. Decisions need to be made out in the field and with SAP. So on our mobiles, we get access to SAP. We're able to see full visibility, we're able to see our stocks, we're able to make sales, all in the field. This wasn't possible before. The post-go-live support has been extremely strong. Usually if it's a major issue within a few hours, minor issues within the week, it would be sorted out. And we've made a lot of adjustments and improved on the system post-go-live with ACEteK. The other thing is that the support is also available 24/7 for us, and it's critical in our industry where we're running our factory 24/7 as well.
This ACEteK team, they are cooperative and they help us in lot to getting all the required information. They understood our problems.
ACEteK is a reliable partner who we can trust to support us now and in the future.